Have you ever had Magnum tonic wine ice cream? Well, if you haven't, we're gonna make some today. You need your handheld mixer, your mixing bowl, heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, Magnum tonic wine of course, and vanilla extract. We're gonna add our heavy whipping cream to our mixing bowl, mix that for 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts to get thick. It should look like this when you're done. Then you're going to add your condensed milk to that. You're going to add your vanilla extract and then your Magnum tonic wine, of course. Now, I use the entire bottle, but you can use half or however amount you want to use, depending on how you want it to taste. Then we're going to pour this into our metal container and put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours or until the next day. Look at this beauty right here. It not only look good, but it tastes good. If you don't believe me, try it.